Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I'm Kiran Jadhav here. Today's session, I will demonstrate here the project is HRM Full Stack Application. HRM it means Human Resource Management. Then the technology, we are using Java as a backend, Java 17 version we are using, Spring Boot 3 plus version we are using, and this is the microservice based architecture project and the front end is React JS. And database we are using here MySQL. Then see, first we are going to start with our application. We need to start our application. It means this is the microservice based architecture, like two or more Spring Boot module, they are going to communicate with each other. For that perspective, we'll simply come up with the IntelliJ, and first, like we are going to start with the service registry because this is the Eureka server. Then come up with the SRC main Java, and I am going to start with our Eureka server here. See, it will take some time to start our Eureka server. Yeah, the Eureka server, if you want to check the pom.xml file, see the version of Spring Boot version 3.5.0, Java version 17, and Spring Cloud version latest version as 2025.0.0. And if you want to check what is the port number of Eureka server, the port number is 8761. And now we'll simply come back to here on Chrome browser and hitting here, this is localhost. You can simply say 8761. You will be able to see Eureka is up and running, but there is no any instances available. Like one Eureka is a server, right? Then all the instances it will be registered with the Eureka server. For that perspective, I will start with the instances. The first instance we are going to start with the API gateway. API gateway is the single entry point for this application. I will start with the API gateway here. And if you want to check the API gateway, like what is the version of Spring Boot we are using, you will be able to see the Spring Boot version 3.5.0. And here we are using Java version as Java 17. Even Spring Cloud also we are using latest version. Now API gateway started successfully. If you want to check what is the port number of API gateway, the port number is 9000. Now we'll simply come back to here and refresh our web page. See the API gateway is up and running. The port number is 9000. Now we'll come up with the next service. I will start with the service name as department service here. Come up with the SRC main. There is Java, and Java you can simply say main class main method, and we are going to start our application. This is department service. For that perspective, we'll check the Spring Boot version as well. This is again latest version 3.5.0, and even Spring Java also we are using 17, right? Spring Cloud also we are using latest version here. This also up and running. If you want to check what is the port number of that, simply check the port number as 8087. Simply check here, refresh it. You will be able to see the 8087 port number available there. Now come up with the next service. And the next service we are going to start for salary service here. Under SRC main Java, there is available main class. Simply start with our this application. If you want to check the salary service Spring Boot version, so this is the latest version we are using Spring Boot, and the Java also we are using Java 17 itself. Now the service is the part of the port number is 8082. You can simply come back to Eureka server. See, this other service also registered successfully here, right? And here you are able to see what are the services up and running, right? Yes, if this is the status, you can simply consider. Coming to next, and this is the last service we are going to start with, like user service. Under SRC main, there is Java. You can simply say SRC main Java. There is available main class. Simply start with our this user service as well. If you are checking with the pom.xml file, what is the version of our Spring Boot 3.5.0 latest version we are using? Java also latest version, Spring Cloud also latest version. If you are coming down, data JPA, MySQL, everything we are using latest version only here, right? Yes. See, security also we are using here. Even Swagger also we are using latest version. JWT dependency also we have added here, right? And now simply come back to here. And if you want to check, like what is the port number of that, you can simply say the port number is 8081. Then we'll simply come back to here, refresh it. Then in Eureka server, you are able to see user service also up and running and the port number is 8081. Then immediately we'll come back to again Chrome browser here and I'm hitting localhost. You can simply say this is 8081. I'm passing here swagger-io.html. Swagger also up and running here, right? See one screen. Then if you want to register the user, you can go to the registration as well. Then if you want like go to the login, you can try with the login as well. Fine. But we have available front end. That's why I will prefer to use front end directly. Then you can simply come with the front end. And here I am using Control T. It will open the terminal. I'm using npm run give. React also we are using latest version here. Then see it will take some time to start our application and it goes to work on the port number is 3000. And instead of using Edge browser, I will prefer to use, you can simply say Chrome browser here. And this is the very clean UI dashboard you are able to see on screen here, right? Yes. See, this is the like user interface we have created. Yeah. Then see, this is employee management application like HRM application. And here we are going to manage the department, even manager, employee, and everything here, right? As per our business requirements. Then see, now first we'll start with the, you can simply say register the admin. Then I want to register the admin here. The admin name I'm giving here Vishnu @fullstack.com. And the password I'm passing, yeah. Then click on register. And once it registers successfully, you will be able to see data in database. Like there will be last record available for 8 number record available for Vishnu, and you are able to see the Vishnu role is admin here. This is like role based authentication we handle here, right? Yes, you know the authorization and authentication, right? And password also we use the crypto algorithm to encrypt the password as well. Okay, yeah, I want to maximize it easily. You are able to see. Perfect. Yes. Then see, we have registered with the admin, and now we are just trying to log in with the admin, right? Then you can simply go to the admin login and give the email. I'm giving here Vishnu @sushna.com. Whatever email we have given, the same email you can pass here, and the password also I'm passing here. Now simply try with the login. If everything is okay, it will go to login successful, right? Yes. Then see, login successful. Then if you want to check about us information here, you can simply click on that. If you want to check the contact us information, you can simply check the contact us information as well. Right. Then see, now we are just trying to check like admin functionality. Like admin goes ahead with the art department. Then department I'm just giving here. This will be research and development department. We are trying to add here. This is R&D department, you can simply say, and simply click on add department. Department goes to add successfully here. Okay, yes, you will be able to see the view departments. The last department available research and development. If you want to update it, if you want to say only like R&D, that also possible here. Okay, you can simply click on update. You will be able to see the updated departments here like R&D department available there. If you want to delete any department from here, that also possible, right? Yes, suppose we are trying to delete the department here. This is, you can simply say HR compliance and legal. Simply click on remove. We are able to remove such departments as well from there, right? Yes. And again, if you want to add some new department here, those also possible, right? You can simply click on add department and we are able to add department here. Suppose I am giving the department name as, you can simply say software testing department. Software testing. Then we use the copy paste here. Click on add department. Department is added successfully. If you want to check it, right? See, here is department available for software testing, right? Yes, and before that we have added the research and development department as well. Then see, admin able to view the employee as well if employee added there. Okay, the previous employee I added, that's why you are able to see such data actually. And if you want to check view, you are able to see the salary details as well. If you want to update it, those also like admin able to manage it, right? Everything. Suppose the third number employee there is available salary, you can simply say 2,50,000. Now we'll say salary is increased, right? Then we are just going to add 2,80,000. Simply click on update. The salary goes to update there actually. And you can simply go ahead and you can simply say few employees. See, there is available, right? And salary also goes to update. If you want to check on view, you will be able to see the updated salary available there. Perfect. Yes. Then see, like if you want to like remove it, that also possible. If you want to view it, that also possible here. Like everything, because this is the login with the admin, right? Admin able to view the manager as well. Now we have only two manager available. I want to add one more manager here. That's why I'm going out with the register manager. The manager name I'm giving here Kiran, and email ID also I'm passing here. The password, and then you can simply say this will be gender. Department I'm giving research and development department. The contact number I'm passing here. The age I'm passing here. Next I'm passing the experience. Next passing the street, city, pin code, and you need to choose the profile image as well. I will choose the profile image. Click on register user. Then user goes to register successfully, and once it registered, you can log in it. But before that, if you want to check view manager, right? There will be available manager name as, you can simply say Kiran Jadhav here, and the ninth number record you are able to see. If you want to check in database, simply goes to database here and use select star from user the ninth number record you are able to see for manager as a Kiran Jadhav here. See, this is the record we have just now added, right? Yes. Then admin have like all the authorities. You can simply say admin able to like add the department, view the departments, able to manage the departments as well, able to view employee as well here. If they want to view it, that also possible for each one. Able to manage the employees like update, delete, whatever, right? We have implemented this update functionality as well. Next, admin able to view the manager as well, able to manage it like delete the manager, even you can simply say delete the update the manager data as well, and able to register manager as well here, right? Yes. Then as per business requirements, able to everything we are able to handle by using admin dashboard. Now I will simply go ahead and do the logout from, you can simply consider from the admin, and we'll go to the login with like our manager. Then simply come up with the user login. This is the manager view we are trying to access. That's why I'm passing here. The manager email ID is I'm passing here, giving the username password. Go to the login. Once login successfully, you will be able to see this is the dashboard of you from like manager dashboard here, right? Yes. And now manager have what are the authorities available? Few department employees, even add employee salary, even registered employee. Now we don't have like any, you can simply say employee added there for this particular research and development department, right? Then we'll do one thing. We are just going to add here, register the employee. I'm giving the employee name as Jerry. Then Jerry, we are giving the last name. You can simply say AA. Then email ID I'm giving here, jerry@fullstack.com. Now you can simply see, you can simply add the password. Then we'll go to the gender as well. Now the contact number I'm adding here, this will be the age, experience also I'm giving here. Next, we are using the street, and we need to choose the profile picture as well, right? Yes. Then see, there are lots of things you will get to learn from this project like front-end React, the back-end Spring Boot, how we are going to insert the image as well, right? Yes. Then simply choose the file. I will choose the image here for Jerry. You can simply say this is the image I want to choose for Jerry. Simply click on register. Registered successfully there, right? If you want to like log in with Jerry, you can simply log in with Jerry as well, right? Yes. But before that, I want to say like we'll try with again log in with the admin only, sorry, manager only, and I want to add one more record there. Okay. Yes. We'll go ahead with and giving the password as well. Simply log in, and I'm adding the one more record here. This is the registered employee. You can simply say the employee name. I'm passing here Swara, and the last name giving here, this is, you can simply say swara@fullstack.com. But before that, we need to check such a data is available or not there, right? Yeah, we don't have such a duplicate records available. Great. Then see the password I'm just trying to add here. The gender I'm adding here, female. Then contact number, giving some contact number here. Then age, then giving the experience as well. Then we need to choose the profile picture. Okay, this is the data I am selecting actually. You can select any images here, and we'll go ahead register it. Register successfully here, right? Yes. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to add the salary as well. For that perspective, before that we'll see, like just try with the employee. We have Sora as an employee there, right? Sora at the rate, this is full stack email ID we have given. I'm giving the username password as well, log in it. Then you will be able to see the data for this particular employee, right? This is the, you can simply say employee view, right? Yes, this is the employee view we are able to see. Now if you want to check here, okay, then see, we'll do one thing like we are just trying with the logout from here, and this is normal view. You can simply say once we log out, right, anyone they able to see it. Now we'll just try with the login, and login with manager I'm trying here actually, whatever we have created the manager, right? Then we'll just go to the login, and you will be able to see like there is available few department employees. But now if you are trying to check like view the salary, right, there is not available any salary records. That's why I want to add here salary as well. Then see, we need to pass here user ID. Then user ID we are going to take it from database. We have two employee added there actually for R&D department. One is Jerry and the second one is for Sora, right? Then see, department ID is 12, right? Yes. Then I'm just trying to use 10 and 11 as a user ID to add the salary. First we'll go to the for Jerry, user ID is 10. And the bank name I'm giving ICICI Bank, bank account number I'm giving some bank account number here, IPC code I'm passing here. Then salary we are giving here 5,50,000. Then pay cycle we are giving monthly. This is, you can simply say, bank transfer. We are giving the start date and end date as well. Then I will use the end of the year directly as a, you can simply say, end date. This will be like 31st of December 2025. Add salary. Salary is added successfully. Now if you are come up with the view department employees and if you are going to check the salary, you will be able to see the salary here. If you want to update it, right, like this number, this record. Now we are just going to update as 7,50,000. That also possible here. Simply click on update. You will be able to see updated data directly. View department, and you can simply check view. You will be able to see updated salary. Like such a many things you are able to learn from this application actually here, right? Yes. One more we have available Sora as well. ID as you can simply say 11. I'm giving the user ID as 11. In the bank name, I want to say HDFC Bank. Bank account number, I'm giving here dummy account number actually. Yes. Bank IFSC, we are passing here. This is the IFSC code. Then salary we are giving here. This will be 2,50,000. Now simply give the pay cycle as per month. Then we are giving payment mode as bank transfer. And we are selecting here. This will be like start date you can simply consider. And we need to pass the end date as well. Then I'm passing here end date, like this will be 31st of December. You can pass any date actually. Okay, you have freedom to pass it. Now simply click on add salary. Then see salary is added successfully there. Then we are excited to see like the department employee, like we have available Sora, you are able to see the salary as well here, right? Yes, if you want to update it, suppose Sora got like promoted, then definitely we are giving here 5,50,000 as well, right? Simply click on update. This is the great things for our learning actually, right? If you are trying with the view, you will be able to see the data here directly, right? Yes. If you want to add again like registered employee, you will be able to add the employee as well, right? I'm trying to add one more employee here. This is the employee. You can simply say I'm giving Pooja, and we are giving the last name as Shinde. This is just I'm adding the demo data actually for your understanding perspective. Then password, then giving the gender as well, giving the contact number as well here, age, experience, and you can give the street and just choose the profile. Okay, I'm just going to choose the profile here. This is the profile. I'm going to choose it. Simply click on register. See, employee is added successfully there, right? Yes. For this employee, I'm not going to add the salary. Okay, you can simply try with the role as an employee. Now, if you are trying to, you can simply say login with the role as employee. I will try with the Sora we have available there, right? Sora at the rate, you can simply say fullstack.com. We need to give the password as well. Simply go to the login, and once it login, this is, you can simply say like employee view. This is the employee view available here, right? Yes. This is the dashboard of employee view. You can simply consider employee able to see the profile, whatever profile added there, and employee able to see the salary details. Employee don't have other options we have given actually, right? Yes. And if you want to add the PDF format, yes, we are able to download the PDF format data as well there, right? Yes. Then see, now I will go to logout. We added the latest record for Pooja. Now we'll see like just add here Pooja at the rate fullstack.com, giving username password, then login. Pooja able to see only profile. She don't have the salary available there. See, no salary records found there for Pooja because we haven't added the salary for Pooja there, right? Yes. Then see such a data available there, right? Yes. Now we do log out from here, and you can simply say we are trying with the login. Then see I will try with the login with existing any data. I hope we have available Lakshmi at the fullstack.com there, right? Simply try with the login. Lakshmi, we are considering this is like manager view, and manager able to see like all the view department employees whatever available there, right? Add and everything, correct? Yes. Then if you want to check this salary also available there, right? Yes. We do the logout. We check some more data in database. Select start from user. You are able to see the data available there, right? Whatever we have added. Then see number of data we have available. Like previously also I added some data there. Then see like this is the data, you can simply say. I'm just checking is there any manager available. We have manager available with projector, right? We'll try with the login with projector here. This is the manager. Simply go to the manager. I'm giving projector at the rate fullstack.com. We need to pass username password, and once we log in, you are able to see this is the manager dashboard view available there. See one screen. Perfect. Now simply come up with a few department employees. We are able to see these department employees as well. If you want to check the salary, those also we are able to see. If you want to update it, then those also we are able to update it easily. See one screen. Again, if you want to view it, you can simply go to view. You will be able to see updated data available there, right? Yes. Then see such a like number of things you are able to perform from this view as a manager view actually, right? Yes. Then now we'll come up with some coding practices as well. Then coding practices, you can simply say we are using here Spring Boot with the microservices architecture. Once this code base is available in your system, you will be able to go through it in detail. I will just high level walk through like our user service first. Now if you are come up with user service, see this is the controller layer we have created, and here all those things we handle the solid principle approach actually, right? Yes. Then if you want to check, see this is the login like service available here actually, and this is you can simply say register for us, right? The data. Then we follow like here DAO, then we follow the entity layer, exception, global exception also we handle, even we handle the security config as well. Everything we handle here as per business requirement. If you want to check the config, this is the security config class available here. We have added, right? Yes. Then if you are come up with down, there are lots of functionalities we handle here actually. Okay. Yes. Now we'll simply come back to here. If you want to check the entity layer, like entity layer also we handle as per our business requirements here. Fine. Yes. Then important thing, if you want to check like security scenarios, right? Then that perspective you can simply come back to here. In Swagger we have available here. This is you can simply say login. I will try with the login. We'll go to the login with the you can simply say employee view as manager view. Who is the manager? We have added the Kiran as manager, right? I'm just passing here. This is email ID, and then you can simply give the password as well. I know the password whatever I given, and then simply give the manager. Then simply go to the execute, it will generate the token. But if you are not giving proper things, right? Suppose I am passing capital M, then also we are not expecting to generate the token here. It will give us the 400 here directly, right? Yes. Then you can simply pass here. This will be the manager. We are able to generate the token. This is the JWT token we have generated here. Now simply copy this token, and you can simply copy this entire token. Once you are going to copy it, just authorize it, just pass here, just authorize, then go ahead with the close. And now we are just trying to fetch all data. There is available fetch all, right? Just try it out. Role I am giving this will be employee manager, able to view the all employee data, right? You will be able to fetch all data there, whatever corresponding department available, right? Yes. See, all data we are able to fetch it. Great. Then see, such a way there are number of functions that we have created. It's not possible within like 30 minutes to finish like entire project functionality. Then once this project available in your system, you can simply go through the code base. All the code base we handle by using Spring Boot 3 microservice architecture, and the front end is React JS. Then if you want to purchase this project, then definitely you can simply come up with the contact us. Like this is highlighted contact number. You can simply connect with my team. They will help you to get it in your system. If you want to visit our office offline, you can simply visit our Pune office as well. Okay. Definitely, my team they will help you to get it installed in your local. Not only the like product source code, but whatever required software also you will get the in your system, and easily you are able to run it. And you will be able to like see this full stack application by using Spring Boot with the React JS using microservice based architecture. Then see the final. This is the HRM Project Spring Boot with microservices using React JS. The backend is Java 17, Spring Boot 3, Spring Security. We use the JWT token. Microservice based architecture we follow. The front end is React JS. Database is MySQL. The role are admin, manager, and employee. The tools like you can simply say this is like API testing tool we use here. This is Postman API, Swagger UI for API documentation, and the key features like department management, add department management department, employee manager management. You can simply select add manager, add employee, assign the department, even manage the salary as well, right? Even role based access control as well, like RBAC, you can simply say admin, manager, and employee. In profile and data management also we handle like manage the employee profile, manage the even manager profile as well, even personal information as well. Even you are able to upload the like images as well, right? The profile picture you can simply say for manager and employee. Even you are able to salary perspective, you are able to add the salary details as well. And such a way we are able to manage the payroll records. And security and authentication, we use here Spring Security with the bcrypt algorithm using JWT Authentication. And this is role-based authorization we handle here actually, right? In the API testing, Postman and Swagger we use. Then see, if you want to purchase it, then definitely you can directly contact us our this contact number. If you want to contact us at the office, you can contact us office as well, right? And if you want to check our office address, you can simply visit us www.fullstackjavadeveloper.in. You can visit our office offline as well. Okay. Yes. Then such a way, like I demonstrated here, this is the full stack Spring Boot with microservices using React JS. HRM, it means Human Resource Management Project. But till if you have any questions, feel free to add your comments in comment box. I'm happy to like give the help for you as well. Okay. Yes. Then stay tuned with the Full Stack Java Developer YouTube channel and see you in next video.